Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 28b. Practice of Suratul Humazah, verses 1 through 4. Let's take Tajweed tip number 28 first. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. This way your throat will not be suppressed. Don't suppress your throat. Let's take color codes first. Red arrow shows those letters where we may commit mistakes in makharij, and those letters are written below. And blue arrows shows those sifat and qawaid where we may commit mistakes, and the qawaid and the sifat are shown below, also written below. So let us start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Wa. Make your lips round and then open. Wa. And it is wai. Don't say wa. Say wai. Wailul likulli humazah. Hu should be clear. Humazatil lumazah. When you stop at round ta, you will stop there with ha. So repeat after me. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Alladhi jama'a malan wa'addadah. Ni. You see that small noon? Only when you continue the verse first with the second, then you recite that. Nilladhi. Otherwise, when you start from here, you don't recite that. So it will be alladhi. There is mad there. The jama'a. Ain should be clear. Ma law. So you merge lam with waw with gunna. Gunna means nasal sound, double stretch. Ma law wa'addada. Ain should be clear. Addada. And when you stop at hu, it will become just ha. Addada. Repeat after me. Alladhi jama'a malan wa'addadah. Alladhi jama'a malan wa'addadah. Yahsabu anna malahu akhladah. Yahsabu. Ha should be clear. Anna. Anna. Gunna is there on noon. Double stretch nasal sound. Malahu. Hu. There is mad with wave there, so you can stretch 2 times or you can stretch more. But here we are stretching twice only. Malahu akh. A is thin. Kha is thick and high. Akhladah. Okay, and also when you stop at hu, you will stop with just ha, with sakin, with sukun. So repeat after me. Yahsabu anna malahu akhladah. Yahsabu anna malahu akhladah. Kalla layumbadhanna fil hutamah. Kalla, mad is there. Yumbadhanna, double gunna is there. And you're converting noon with me. Fil hutamah. Hutamah. Repeat after me. Kalla layumbadhanna fil hutamah. Kalla layumbadhanna fil hutamah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.